Hello there, welcome everyone. First of all, let me say thank you very much. This channel has just surpassed 200 subscribers, which I think it's amazing, and it's all thanks to you. So thank you, this is amazing. To get back to us, hi, my name is Marco, I'm a full stack developer, and in this video I wanted to raise awareness about a language that is somewhat bullied by everyone in the tech world. I am talking about HTML. Now, why am I saying that HTML is bullied by everyone? Well, first of all, it's not really a programming language. That is probably reason number one. And as a matter of fact, it isn't. It is a markup language. Now, what is a markup language? Well, markup languages are basically used for structure and layout. So you can give instructions about how the font should look like, I don't know, bold or regular or thin or light, whatever you want to call it. You can really create structure with it. If you ever heard of Markdown, that is a markup language as well. It's not HTML, but it works in a similar way. And actually, when you use it for a website, it is translated into HTML. The second reason can be that with these new front-end libraries that are popping out the ground like flowers, there is really no need for HTML anymore. Well, let me tell you that that is not true. Actually, HTML, even though these libraries are super powerful and beautiful, it is still the base. And right now, I want to give a few reasons why you should learn HTML. First thing out of the way, if you are or plan to become a front-end developer, then, you must learn HTML. That is a given. You just cannot avoid it. And even as a back-end engineer, you might want to learn HTML because the skill to debug page, the meaning of classes and semantic tags, it can really be useful. Another reason, which probably is the most important one, is that with HTML you can learn what I like to call the box model. Everything in markup is a box, which is inside another box, which is inside another box. The concept of hierarchy, so parent and child and grandchild, and the concept of structure, what goes here, what's the difference between a heading and a paragraph, or between an unordered list and an ordered list. In all this, the good news is that HTML is extremely simple. Honestly, I don't like to use the word easy lately because what is easy for me cannot be for you and vice versa. But fundamentally, HTML is extremely simple, meaning that the underlying logic is not that complicated. Because to be honest, there is not much logic going behind the scenes. After all, it's not a programming language. You cannot put particular syntax like if statements or for loops or while loops. You have tags, opening and closing. These tags have semantic meanings, like H1 is a heading, P is a paragraph, an anchor tag is a link. What represent the tags is among the greater or less than sign, and from there you get the basic structure of the page. Now, I said basic because that is what it is with only HTML. You can just get the structure and the layout, okay? You can really decide the font size, not even the font, not the font color, the text color. For that purpose, like general styling, you need another language, which is CSS, and that is quite important too. And believe it or not, it is not as simple as HTML. But once you understand the concept of nesting boxes inside other boxes in hierarchy, and you introduce CSS into the equation, you can start building websites. And that is one of the most fundamental reasons why learning HTML is not a waste of time. Just a little bit of HTML and CSS are enough to get you a long way into web development. If you are into web design, well then HTML can really improve the quality of your design, the way you think about designing a web page, and also open your eyes about what code can do nowadays. And even if you are into learning new front-end libraries and frameworks like Angular and Vue, they still use HTML. Don't think that just because the file doesn't end with .html, there won't be any. JSX in React uses HTML. Angular and Vue are the same thing. The paradigm behind them is different. They embed the JavaScript inside the HTML, whereas React embed the HTML inside the JavaScript is a little bit different, but basically you need to use HTML. Anyway you look at it, HTML is and will remain the fundamental language to learn for all the web, full stack, front-end, back-end developers out there. Okay, this is it. I think I said enough about HTML. I hope that the message got through. So if you have some time to spare, it really doesn't take too much time. So learn HTML and a bit of CSS and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share. and don't forget to subscribe to help this channel grow even more. This being said, I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.